You know what's gross? This.
Oh, that is disgusting.
It's nasty.
Oh.
No, that's not bad. Actually, that's better than not bad. I'd have to say that's quite delicious. What? Hey, we missed lunch and I'm hungry. Good.
This is great.
Tastes kind of like barbecue sauce. Only better.
Ooh, I can cook that. All I need to do is channel my inner Bobby Flay and get a little experimental in the kitchen. This particular recipe took a little bit of trial and error. I knew I wanted to make it a purple sauce, but I didn't want to rely on a food coloring to get there. After several less than successful attempts, I finally stumbled across this freeze-dried purple sweet potato powder online. And I knew right away it was the perfect starting point for the color that I wanted. And it actually worked out a lot better than I expected. The first step is mixing the sweet potato powder with a bit of sugar and some salt. Then whisk in some water until the sugar dissolves and you end up with a deep, dark purple liquid. Where the high school cooking class got their hands on the purple powder, I have no idea. I found it on Amazon, and I'll make it easy on you by leaving the affiliate link in the description. Next, I'm adding a squirt of ketchup to build up the base of the sauce. And then right after that, we'll add in some blueberry-flavored applesauce. Now, I know it sounds a little weird, but it does actually help to build the base of the sauce. The blueberry twang actually works really well to balance out the sweetness of the potato powder and start layering in the umami flavors. Now, this wouldn't be my own test kitchen without some generous seasoning. All you need is some onion powder, garlic powder, and a dash of Cajun spices to bring in some heat. Something I learned the hard way while messing around with this recipe is that acidic ingredients will totally mess with the purple color. So to keep that color intact, we'll need to be clever about our ingredients. A splash of red wine adds depth, Worcester sauce brings in a bold, savory kick, and a squirt of brown mustard helps to round everything out. To thicken the sauce and give it a creamier texture, and honestly just an overall better mouthfeel, we'll pour in a bit of coconut milk. It makes the sauce rich and smooth and truly brings the flavors together in a way that I did not expect. Once everything is in the pot, let it simmer until it thickens up to about the consistency of barbecue sauce. Just like you keep an eye on the ball in baseball, keep your eye on the pot so you'll hit a home run with the consistency. Right when it starts to bubble and thicken up, pull it off the heat and let it cool down. It will thicken as it cools. After that, it's ready to pour into jars or sneak into the next baseball game. I seriously can't believe that I missed Eddie's $1 Million Cook-Off way back in 2003. Like, this honestly was my kind of movie. Probably had something to do with the fact that I did not have the Disney Channel, but either way, I never heard of this movie. So making the sauce and getting to watch it for the first time was honestly so much fun. This sauce is the perfect companion on everything from French fries to a turkey sandwich. And the best part, it's purple. I would have done just about anything to meet Bobby Flay back in the day. And honestly, I would probably do just about anything to meet Bobby Flay now. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and food adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.